In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI on Facebook. Meta AI offers a convenient way to ask questions, generate content, and get recommendations directly within Facebook. It's a versatile tool available in Messenger, Search, Feeds, Groups, and other areas of Facebook. However, do remember that availability might vary depending on your region and the type of account you have. To begin using Meta AI on Facebook, you first need to open Facebook. Once you're on your home screen, take a look at the left-hand side panel. Here you will find the Meta AI icon. Simply tap or click on it. You will either be redirected to a new tab or taken to the Meta AI web interface. This step is crucial because it sets up your access to the powerful features of Meta AI. Now, with Meta AI open, you can type a question or a prompt. For instance, you might ask for ideas for a weekend trip, explanations on how solar panels work, or even suggestions for healthy dinner recipes. If a Meta AI result appears, make sure to select it. This is important because selecting the result ensures you're interacting directly with the AI for the most accurate information. Once you have your initial response, you can keep the conversation going by asking follow-up questions. This interaction can help refine the information you receive, ensuring it's as helpful as possible. Engaging with follow-up questions is a great way to dive deeper into topics or clarify any confusion. Next up, let's explore how you can use Meta AI in Messenger. Start by opening Facebook Messenger, then initiate a new chat. In the search bar, type Meta AI and open the chat if it's available. Once you're in the chat, type your question or request. This is where you can ask Meta AI to answer questions, summarize information, brainstorm ideas, or even write drafts and messages. After you've received a response, feel free to continue chatting as needed. This back and forth can be particularly useful for more complex inquiries, allowing you to get more detailed answers or explore different topics. For those in supported regions, you can even generate images using Meta AI. You can create visuals by typing prompts like create an image of a tropical beach at sunset or design a futuristic city skyline. Enter your request into a Meta AI chat and review the generated image. This feature can be really exciting for creative projects and adds a visual dimension to your interactions. Now let's move on to some tips for getting better results with Meta AI. Be specific with your prompts. This specificity helps the AI understand exactly what you're looking for. Asking follow-up questions can refine the answers you receive, making the information more tailored to your needs. When you have complex requests, try to use complete sentences. This clarity aids in processing your request more accurately. Additionally, if you're asking for written content, include details like tone, format, or audience. These elements guide the AI to produce content that meets your requirements perfectly. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Meta AI on Facebook. Remember, the key is to engage actively and provide clear prompts. This way, Meta AI can serve as an invaluable tool in your digital interactions. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful in making the most out of Meta AI on Facebook.